1,000 years ago, Godzilla was a majestic guardian. Its scales shimmered like molten stone, its eyes calm and wise. But centuries of isolation twisted its form. Today, it moves like a living storm. Jagged spines torn by time, armored skin scorched and hardened, eyes burning with raw fury. What once was a legend of balance has now become a force of pure chaos. In a time before memory, deep within a forgotten jungle, the earth trembled. Towering trees bowed to an ancient power stirring beneath their roots, and the shadows of colossal vines and stone ruins. Ancient warriors gazed toward the horizon, where strange lights danced in the mist, whispering of a force beyond their understanding. A mighty tremor split the ground as a massive shape moved through the thick undergrowth. Birds scattered. Trees cracked. A living mountain revealed itself, the ancient titan known to none. Gathered around sacred fires, the tribes prayed, their drums echoing into the night. Visions of a colossal creature rising from the earth haunted their dreams. Through a veil of mist, Godzilla's towering form emerged. Crashing through trees, he revealed jagged spines that glowed faintly under the canopy's dim light. The warriors, frozen between awe and terror, formed a circle at the jungle's heart. Their chants rose into the humid night, begging the spirit of the forest for mercy. A sudden roar shook the heavens. Animals fled. Leaves spiraled into the air as the jungle itself seemed to recoil from the ancient beast's anger. The tribal hunters dropped to their knees, their ceremonial staffs falling to the earth. Dust and leaves swirled around them as Godzilla's power rippled outward, reshaping the world. At the break of dawn, the creature vanished into the mists. Only broken trees and trembling earth remained as the people etched the story into stone walls, praying the beast would never return. And so, the legend was sealed, buried in myth, lost to time, until the world grew bold enough to seek it once again. Thousands of years later, the jungle remained untouched, veiled in mystery. But the forgotten temple, hidden under centuries of growth, called out once more. Inside GeneXt Monster's high-tech command center, scientists and explorers studied seismic waves, holograms flickering with signs of a dormant giant hidden in the jungle depths. The call could not be ignored. Sleek, ultra-advanced aircraft carrying AI soldiers and fearless pilots cut through clouds, racing toward the ancient site. Within the broken temple, glowing crystals illuminated enormous claw marks on stone walls, the final resting place of something long forgotten. Then, deep within the rubble, movement. Mist rose as the slumbering titan stirred. Centuries of decay had twisted its form. Godzilla, reborn in rage, emerged once again. With an earth-shattering roar, the monster tore through the ruins. Ancient pillars crumbled. Shockwaves shattered trees as humanity's machines struggled against primordial fury. Emergency lights flared at GeneXt Monster HQ. Commanders shouted. AI fleets launched into the skies. But technology alone could not tame what had once ruled the earth. Air battles erupted over the jungle. Plasma fire lit the mist. But against an ancient god, no weapon proved enough. The forest reclaimed the fallen. And in the twilight of the world's ambitions, Godzilla stood among ruins and broken dreams, a living legend, unchallenged the stone of time.